a suite with 2 beds and a kitchen. Wait until you see what it looks like inside. You enter the room, big window, bathroom with a gorgeous glass shower. Continuing the room tour, 2 queen-size beds, a balcony with a view of the outdoor pool and barbecue area. It's too cold to go in the pool, but they told me that tomorrow night there's going to be s'mores out here for the kids to enjoy. I'm gonna close this back. Wait until you see the rest of this room. So I'm turning now to the suite area with plenty of seating, lovely TV, and look at this mini kitchen, microwave, stainless steel appliances, and we actually brought some snacks with us, so this is perfect for us. Another view of the 2 queen-size beds. This is plenty of space if you were even coming here and rooming with someone. Plenty of space for coming with your family, plenty of space if you're coming here with a friend or 2. You can stretch out and relax in the suite. What do you think?